Welcome to this tutorial on how to access Webull paper trading. If you are new to trading or just want to practice without risking real money, the paper trading feature on Webull is perfect for you. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to get started. First, if you have not already done so, download the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app installed, open it and sign in with your existing account or create a new account if you are a first-time user. It is important to complete the account verification process to unlock all features. After logging in, look for the Trade tab located at the bottom of the screen. Next, to access the paper trading feature, tap on the paper trading option. This feature allows you to simulate trades without any financial risk. You will see a virtual account balance, which you can use to make trades just like you would in a live environment. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform and practice placing orders. You can buy and sell stocks, options, and even create watch lists to monitor your favorite securities. Finally, remember to take advantage of the educational resources provided by Webull. The platform offers tutorials, articles, and market analysis that can enhance your trading skills. While paper trading, focus on understanding market trends and developing your strategy. Enjoy your practice sessions and good luck with your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.